I'm definitely not the best person to be watching right now, but alright, just topping off on gas. I'm gonna head somewhere empty. I think there's a parking lot over here that I'll have room to play in and just work on some of the basic stuff, like slow speed maneuvers. Really getting a feel for my bike and getting comfortable on it. Fire back up. And we'll watch for the nut job Karens in the parking lots. I'm sure they don't like motorcycles. There's a nice open parking lot. Go over here. Okay. And yeah, just gonna work on the friction zone, all that kind of stuff. So we'll start with some left turns and then some right turns. Keep it in first gear. We'll see how this goes. Not terrible, but I'd like to at least keep it inside 2 lines. A little wobbly. If you're a beginner and you're wanting to learn stuff like this, I'm definitely not the best person to be watching right now. But if you want to laugh at a noob who has to put his foot down in a parking lot like that, then I'm your guy. Alright, we'll do one more to the left. Focus on that friction zone, keeping my head up, counter leaning. There we go. Alright. We'll do a couple to the right. I feel awkward turning to the right for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm more comfortable on the lefts. Go over to this next row. Alright. Just gonna aim to keep it within 3 parking spaces and then build up from there. Alright. Now we'll try for 2. Nope. That's okay. Alright. I don't know why I struggle with right turns. If anybody has any idea, please let me know in the comments, but I'm gonna slow down and stop here and kind of reset. But yeah, if you have any idea why I'm struggling to turn right more than left, throw any tips you have in the comments for me. I would appreciate it. Really don't want to spill my bike. Alright, here we go. Keep it nice and slow. Nope. That was a little faster than I needed to be doing. Go again. I've heard of dragging your rear brake. Maybe I'll start trying that. I've never done that before, but I've heard it gives you some added stability. So, just very lightly on the rear brake. Nobody's coming. Alright, let's give her another try. Yeah, I got a little quick there again. Alright. Just gonna do a big loop. Get myself reset. Try again. Alright. Start here. Aiming for inside of 2 parking spaces. Nope. I hesitated for sure. I'll do it right and then a left. Just kind of get some confidence back. Yeah, see, I'm really struggling with that. Go over to the left. And it's not like super tight, but it's definitely tighter than the turns to the right that I'm getting. Jeez. Alright, here we go. Nope. I built up too much speed again. I'm gonna go zoom around for a second. Pick another spot and do it again. Over there. And hopefully the wind noise is better this time. I adjusted my setup for recording my voice, but I won't know till I get back home. Alright. Barnes & Noble parking lot, nice and empty. Set up to counterbalance. Okay. I think it's just that feel of that counterbalance. It's odd to me, so. Yep. Once it starts to go over, I feel awkward and sort of start to lose it, so. Maybe I'll just play around with the friction zone a bit. I remember this from the MSF course where it's just like loosen your grip to get the bike moving, so you're just feeling where the friction zone is. Alright, let's go try right turns again. Alright, here we go. Alright, it wasn't pretty, but I think that's my best one yet. I'll go again. I'm trying to keep like 5 miles an hour to start. That way it's consistent. I need to just trust that it's gonna do the right thing. But it's sketching me out every time. Alright. Go 5 miles an hour. Going a right turn. Nope. Wow. I failed to steer. There we go. That's getting better. Alright. Do another one. See if I can get 2 more good ones, then I will call it a day, I think. I don't want to overdo it and end up having a spill. Alright, I'm going to call that a good one, because that was better than the vast majority of the ones I've done. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, so it's the tip in to actually steering into the corner that's where I'm hesitating. 5 miles an hour. There we go. There we go. Alright, cool. Getting better. So this is why I'm out here, because I know I'm not great at this. Even like pulling out from a stop sign, I noticed my right turns are awkward and my left turns are not. Part of that could be just from turning into a right lane versus turning into the left lane. There, I got silly. Laugh at me all you want, that's fine. I'm practicing. This would be kind of like a U-turn, I guess, so we'll start with the wheel turned at full turn. Nobody's coming, and we'll pull out. Yep. I needed to counterbalance and just steer through the turn, but I straightened out. Doing to the right. And wheel to the right. I've got the brake. Here we go. Nice and easy. Yep. Getting silly. I didn't want to give it too much throttle and launch myself. So yeah, those right turns just have me nervous. I'll wait for this person to go by. Alright, now I'm in the clear. Try this again. Start with both toes on the ground. Alright, look the way I'm going. Yep. See, it's that. Still got me not so confident, but I think that's gonna do it for today, and I'll come out here and do it again some other time. Because yeah, practice makes perfect. So thanks for watching, thanks for following me along. Feel free to laugh at me for putting my feet down, installing the bike. Doesn't bother me. But yeah, if you have any tips, please drop them down below. I am welcome to learn. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you feel like you had fun, and I'll catch you later.